Greetings, fellow riders and urban adventurers. Today we're diving into a trusty accessory that's perfect for your short rides, whether it's a bike or a scooter, the Velo heavy duty mini bike lock. Let's explore the benefits. What sets this lock apart is its top-tier security. It proudly hosts the prestigious Sold Secure Gold Grade certification, which is a testament to its unmatched security level. Its compact and portable design is a game changer. It effortlessly attaches to your bike or scooter, making it an essential tool for those spontaneous short rides. And it's small enough to fit in your back pocket. This bike lock is constructed with strong steel, making it ideal for safeguarding your ride, be it be a scooter or a bike, during quick stops.